Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how I designed the senior football. I actually ended up not using it. That's why I don't have a picture of the finished product, but I saved it so I can use it next year if I want. And I believe I made it public on my design space, so if you want to use it, it is using images from Cricut Access, so you do have to have that to use it. So I just pulled up one of my favorite grad caps and my favorite football, and I'm just figuring out where I want the grad cap on the football. Now yes, you could just cut out a football and the grad cap and glue them kind of on top of each other and offset it, but I sliced it. That's what I did, and because I wanted to slice out that little piece of the football, but I grouped it back together. I grouped the grad cap back together and then welded it again so it would be one solid piece, because I didn't want my grad cap sliced into different pieces. If you can't get it back together, then just pull up the image again and pull up that grad cap again and then replace it with the full one. But I didn't want to overlap the grad cap on the football. When it comes to cutting them out and gluing them together, I wanted it to be a smooth finish. I didn't want it overlapping. So just however you want to do it. So once you get them together, you group them together and you just offset it however much you want to offset it. And then you can also click that lock and make it longer or wider if you want. You can adjust it like that for size. But like I said, I ended up not using this, but I did want to save it in case I want to use it in the future, and I want to show you guys this quick video. So you can take images for seniors and then make it like a senior image, like a football or any other kind of ball or a megaphone. I've added grad caps to all kinds of things. So thanks for watching, and please give this a like, and happy mom making and happy crafting.